The ThruLine Selector is the next generation of LED under-cabinet fixtures. It features a toggle switch so you can choose 3 different white light temperatures and has a premium diffusion lens for hotspot-free lighting.
The ThruLine offers the very best features and benefits for your cabinet lighting. This LED fixture boasts superior light quality thanks to the high 90 CRI value, as opposed to low CRI lighting that makes objects look cold and dull. High CRI light ensures that the colors of food, skin, and surfaces are accurately and beautifully portrayed. Included within the fixture is a diffuser lens that helps create a smooth, even line of lighting with no hot spots. With the ThruLine, you can also create your desired mood by choosing different brightness levels with the built-in toggle switch. This LED light is ENERGY STAR rated and earned the rating by offering the perfect combination of energy efficiency and high quality of light that we all look for. With no need for an external transformer, the ThruLine connects directly to AC house power. Installation is easy and fast. Simply wire through the knockouts or use an AC power cable to plug into an outlet. This under-cabinet LED fixture is a great way to introduce brilliant-looking and energy-efficient lighting into your home or business. And the sturdy aluminum housing means it's built to last. Available now from Alloy LED. Better living through better lighting.